Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fill one shape with several photos. First, open a new document and draw any shape you would like to use, or choose one from the toolbar. I'm going to use the outline of Washington State that I have traced beforehand. If you would like to learn how to trace shapes in Illustrator, please see my previous tutorial. I have included a link at the end of this video. Let's change the stroke to red and get rid of the fill. In order to fill one shape with several photos, first we will need to divide it into multiple areas. There are many ways to do it. For example, we could use the line segment tool. First, draw a straight line. Then, using the rotate tool, set the rotation point at the end of the line and divide it into several parts. Let's undo it. We could also use the curvature tool to make smooth curvy lines. I'm going to divide my shape into 7 parts, and I'm going to use the pen tool, which allows more precise line control. It is a good idea to create a new layer and put all the lines onto a separate layer. Make sure to start the first line outside the shape boundary, then work your way across the entire shape. I'm going to undo it and use the lines I have previously drawn. When you are done drawing the lines, first select everything and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Let's choose blue for the fill and change the stroke to black. Now click on the first shape to select it. Then choose a different color and apply it to the second shape. And do the same with the other shapes. Now click away to deselect and let's turn off the visibility of the layer with the red lines. And now we are ready to insert photos. To do that, first switch to the selection tool, select a shape and then click on the Draw Inside icon, which is located at the bottom of the toolbar. Next, go to File, Place, choose your photo and click Place. Then click just above the blue shape, hold and drag to place the photograph. If you wish to reposition or rotate your photo, first go to Layers, open the sublayers of the selected photo, make sure the photo is selected and lock the layer with the shape above the selected photo to prevent it from shifting. Now adjust the position. If you would like to insert a photo over several shapes at once, first select one shape, then holding down the Shift key, select all the other shapes. Next, right-click with your mouse and choose Make Compound Path. And like before, with the shape still selected, use the Draw Inside icon. Then go to File, Place, select another photo and click Place. Now click on the Draw Normal icon to deselect. And follow the same process with the other shapes. If you wish to replace any of the photos, first click on it to select it, then find the selected photo in the Layers panel, open the sublayers, lock the layer with the shape above the selected photo, make sure the photo layer is selected, then click on the file name at the top toolbar and choose Relink. Now choose a different photo and click Place. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.